This is my review of GoFormative.com. So this is the free version of this program, which does not have as many options, but on the free version, you can quickly get into it and build a formative assessment, use some that other teachers have posted, share it with another, and post it to your classroom. So my school uses this. I've never used it, but the purpose of this would be, the goal would be to be able to gather student data quickly and use that data to modify your lesson plan or figure out who or when or what you need to do remediation. The ISTE standards covered by this would be the standards for Educator 7A, use alternative ways to demonstrate competency. And for Educator 7C, use assessment data to guide progress in a course. Okay, so maybe I'm out sick and I want to post a quick assessment so I can do that from home. I'm going to start by searching. Well, let's see. You can do formatives a couple of different ways. So if you want to make a new formative, this is the coolest thing about this app, is you can do two different things. You can either upload a PDF, a doc, or a Google Doc that you already have, your assessments, although the free version limits you to 20 pages. Instead, I'm sick, I have the flu. I'm going to pick one from somebody's that's already in the data bank. And like I said, this is the free version. So I've put in search word fractions so I can see what grades this is for. So I'm going to pick 5th grade. I'm going to scroll through there so I can click on this assessment and I'm going to see the questions over here. And let's see, I'm going to add this question. I like that one. I'm going to add that one. Also this one. Okay, and maybe I want to go to somebody else's. I'm going to try this one, and then I'm also, let's see, I don't want to show your work. No, I'm going to go back to this one. Okay, so multiplying fractions. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click add on that one. Okay, so you can see there's different ways of showing your work on these assessments, which you would think it would be only multiple choice, but it's not. Okay, so I've got all the questions picked out on my formative assessment. Here they all are. I can look at them, double check them. I'm going to add a title right here. Fractions, maybe it's a pre-assessment. Okay. All right, so I've got it down. I want to go ahead and assign it to my classes. So I've already set up a class in here. So I'm out sick. I'm going to assign this to my class. And they're in my Google Classroom. So this automatically links to your Google Class, and that's cool. I can also, from my deathbed, I can look at the students' responses. And maybe I want to preview it just to make sure it's going to go okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click through all these possible answers. Just so I can make sure this is going to run well for the kids. Okay. All right. And it is going to, and here it has it on the screen what the student made. That was me taking it. And it's going to show me names beside each one of the users and that kind of thing. So this is a really super quick way to pull assessment data out and see what you need to redo. And again, it's free. And well, who doesn't want to be able to pull up something quick when you need it, right? When you don't have time to make it.